everybody, before I begin this video, let me introduce myself briefly. I am AULIYA NURFADZILLA. Today I want to talk about the telecommunication tool, and then the subject that I want to discuss is especially about television. Okay, let's start with the first point. As we know, television has a function like to inform, to educate, to entertain, and to influence, because television can spread information to readers, listeners, and viewers. Television presents educational shows through teachings that are packaged in drama shows, reality shows, and many more. So, why can all that be done on a television? Let's discuss how television can output images and sounds. In general, television consists of several parts such as antenna, power, tuner, video detector, video and audio amplifier circuit. These parts are how television works, so we can watch pictures and hear sounds. First, the antenna on the television will capture the wave emitted by television stations. The captured wave will flow towards cable on the television. Well, because there are many television stations, it requires a wave separator for each channel or stations. The circuit that works to separate this is called a tuner. If the light is displayed on the screen, the sound waves are processed and released on the device called a speaker. Finally, we can hear sounds and watch the pictures. That's why television can output images and sounds, because television has some part that it works interconnected, which this part make television can output images and sounds. Finally, I reached the end of my video. I think it's enough for me to tell you about why television can output images and sounds. Thank you for your time and your attention to watch my video. See ya!